Hello everyone, how's going? Today I'll be teaching you how to fix zoom the in-camera on Snapchat iPhone XR. So the first thing you need to know, I'm doing that on my Android, but to do that on your iPhone is exactly the same process, okay? So don't worry. So the first step is to make sure your Snapchat app on your iPhone was updated, okay? After that, you need to go to your profile section on Snapchat, okay? And right here, you need to go to the settings. So just click in the top and right side of your screen, okay, in the gear icon. And after that, you need to scroll down, okay, and you see here in the privacy control, the section lenses, okay, so just click here. After that, you see the last option to clear all lens data, okay, so just tap here. After that, you see the option to clear, so just tap here to clear, okay? After that, I recommend you to unstale and after install again your Snapchat and probably the bug was fixed, okay? So I hope I can help with this video. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe in our channel and hit the like button. See ya!